Hey guys, thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and agreeing to your free custom video. I know the sound and the phone was breaking up when you were driving through the canyon, but I do appreciate you talking to me, and um, I believe Tyler is the one to watch this. So here we go. So today I'm going to give you some tips that you guys can apply right away that's really going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. I do need to mention that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is going to be really, really important that your website be properly optimized so you can actually capture that 70% of traffic and convert them into customers. So we're on your website here, and you do have a decent looking website. There's interesting gap here. But I did notice you have separate pages for all your major services and for your additional services. So that's awesome. That's exactly what you want. Hopefully, every single page has their own unique content and local keywords that you're going after. Um, Restoration Services, Salt Lake City, Utah. This is a perfect example of a local buyer intent keyword. These are very important to help you rank. Let's see. We got Provo there. Google reviews are always nice and can actually count towards your content. Don't see a whole lot of content going on. So the first thing to know is that Google ranks your website based on content. Content is going to be the key to everything when it comes to ranking. So you're going to need a lot of this content. Your homepage needs to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content or more. If your competitors have more, your content needs to be built around your services and your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services in your area. I would keep your homepage and service pages around one specific location. And then if you're servicing Provo, Salt Lake, and a bunch of the other cities within the county or surrounding counties, you really are going to want to have separate pages for all those communities that have any type of search volume. That way you can be found organically for your services in those areas. Google has little robots called crawlers that go and index all of these pages looking for original content and your local keywords so that they can rank you for those and then put you in front of your customers. Let's go ahead and take a look at your top competitor for water damage. We have AAA Restoration. They have an okay website. It's not fabulous. Apologize, I forgot to turn those off. They do have separate pages for each of their services, but they are missing the boat on having those service area pages, just like you guys are, so they're missing out on a ton of traffic. They do have the interlinking pages, which are good for your SEO. And they are also going after those local buyer intent keywords. So they're actually ranking for those on the top of Google. And they do have quite a bit more actual content and keyword usage, not just on their homepage, but throughout their website. So in order to beat these guys, you're definitely going to have to work on your content and keyword strategy. You're going to need more content. And I didn't take a look at your service pages, but you do want to make sure that you have the right amount of content. You need 250 words for every keyword that you want to target, and you need more content than your competition. But then, besides that, a website by itself is not enough to be found online. It does need to be supported by SEO. which is search engine optimization. If we look here, you have a score of 13 for your website as a whole, out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow. So it's not too bad. This score is 100% based on your referring domains and backlinks. You get credit for one backlink per referring domain. So anything else is looked at as spam. You do want to make sure that those links are do follow links. That way they share the power of the high ranking sites, and make sure that you are only going after links that are related to your industry and are authoritative, because not all links are created equal. So you don't want links that will hurt you. You want the ones that are going to help you. If we look here, you have 41 do follows, which means only 41 of these backlinks are doing anything remotely to help you. You have been indexed for 91 keywords, but you're only getting 12 people to your website. So you are missing out on a ton of traffic in your service area. Looking at your keywords, you have one keyword, smoke damage American fork, that is ranking. Everything else is on the second page or further back. And so you're not going to be found for those services until you get them to the first page. You really do need those backlinks to tie to these keywords so that you can rank for those to the first page of Google and be found for your services. If we look at AAA, you can see they have a score of 25 with over 2,000 backlinks and 300 referring domains. Most of this is overkill because you get credit for 1-to-1, and they only have 114 do follows. So to beat these guys, you need more than 114 referring domains that are do follows. So you're going to need more in quantity as well as quality. They have more pages and content, so they have been indexed for over 1,000 keywords, and they're getting over 338 people to their website per month, and that's without having those service area pages. So again, this just shows you how important it is to optimize your website so you can capture that traffic and convert them into customers. And the last piece of this puzzle here is this Google Maps section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, because 30% of people go straight to the maps and don't search anywhere else. And so if you're not in this top 3, you send all those leads to your competitors. Now, while there are a variety of factors that go into ranking, the most important are citations, and that's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Dex. So you'll need more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips that I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those local buyer intent keywords supported by SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and I would really love to get your feedback, what you thought of the video. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.